let's find a new project for this week. The mini wood box miscellaneous, okay? I have this box which I store the smaller wood projects in, and I was just looking through, trying to find what I wanted to do. And decided on this blue big paper clip. I bought this in a thrift store. I first sanded off the top layer. I then tried for about 2.5 minutes to break him apart. After that I coated him with a gesso, let it dry, and then I was sketching out my design. I decided on a beach scene from above. I saw these around the internet and I really liked the design. I then used this turquoise Posca pen for the first wave closest to the beach. It worked really well on the wood and on this gesso layer. I then moved over to my acrylics with this beige one. I would have used all of my acrylics, but I didn't have the turquoise that I wanted, so I used the Posca instead. Here is the middle wave. And the deep blue. Went over a second time with the Posca. I didn't have to with my acrylics, they were thick enough. I then went over with a white Posca pen and put in some waves. Sometimes a few dots. Here I was trying what would happen if I would smudge them a bit, that they're not too prominent, but I didn't like it and I was glad I did it on the back side so you don't see it as much. On the beach I put a lot more of the waves crashing in the sand. I did the other side the same way, put my initials down in the sand and gave everything a coat of glossy varnish to protect the paint. And with a lot of strength and shouting at it. I tried to connect the two pieces back together. And it was finished. In fact, I had so much fun doing this. I found another one and I did the second one as well. They're so cute, so amazing, and it was really fast. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!